Hi, this is your incredible Harsh. Today I am come up with amazing tutorial video. That is how to install Java in Kali Linux in just 2 lines, so let's get started. First, ensure that Kali Linux must be update. For this, type sudo apt get update and hit enter. This will update your system. Now you can search Java version by using this command. For downloading Java, type sudo apt install openj17 and hit enter. It will start installing. Please ensure that your internet bandwidth must be stable and fast, hence it will take a few minutes to complete the process. To ensure Java installed in your system successfully, type this command Java version. This will tell you which version of Java has been installed. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel to get enthusiastic video tutorial. We will meet you in next video. Have a nice day.